How to add weather forecast in Wix. The first things first, make sure to add an iframe. Once you have added an iframe, head over to Help site and then click onto the search widgets. You can search in here for weather. We can see in here this. Click onto this widget right here and then just choose the actual template of what it should be appear to look like. We have in here this. So I'll just continue with this template. Click on this button right here, and then you can display weather for a specific location. For example, it's input right here in New York, and then from in there, it should be added right there. Click onto this publish option, click onto the plan that you have, and then from in there, just copy the code given. If you copy that, head back to your Wix and click onto this enter code, and then enter right here the code and click on update. Once you have done that, it should be able to show you up right here the actual weather forecast we have. So that's how you add weather forecast in Wix. Hope we helped.